afternoon. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. The roads are still a mess out there. They are partially to completely covered with ice and snow. In fact, travel is still not advised in Johnson County. We have seen some slight improvements, but with temperatures so cold, we're likely going to see this kind of black ice lingering on the roadways for quite some time. With the sunshine, maybe a little bit of melting today, but with strong winds, it's also going to be likely that we see some areas of drifting and blowing snow. Winds today about 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts around 30 miles per hour. We'll see the strong winds continuing through the afternoon, but dying down throughout this evening. And for tonight, a little bit lighter. That's going to allow for some cold temperatures to settle in below zero for tonight. Winds don't look to be too strong for tomorrow, up to about 15 miles per hour, but our pattern of dangerous and extreme weather, it continues. We're a little elevated in Threat Tracker all 3 days because of the slick roads, blowing snow today. We'll have another chance for light accumulating snow tomorrow along with the cold temperatures, and a separate chance for snow on Sunday. In fact, we'll have a third chance for accumulating snow on Monday as the very, very cold temperatures and dangerously cold temperatures continue. Now, start to plan now for that snow tomorrow, because while it's not going to be the extreme snow that we saw yesterday, it's going to accumulate in spots, especially the further south you go. Here's a look at Future Track. And for today, we're going to see the sunshine continuing. I think the cloud cover stays off to our east, and that's going to give us plenty of clear skies all the way out through this evening and tonight, allowing temperatures to drop down. Now, the clouds do increase by late tonight, early tomorrow morning. I'm going to throw temperatures on here because as that snow moves in the mid-morning, we'll say about 9 a.m., you'll notice that temperatures are very, very cold, only in the single digits. That means this is going to be a very light and fluffy snow, very easily blown by the wind, and it's going to be allowed to accumulate pretty quickly because of those cold temperatures. Now, pushes in mid-morning. It will continue through about the mid-afternoon. This is noon, working its way up to about Highway 20, not too much further north of there, and should be out of here by about 3 to 6 p.m. Again, more snow will fall in the southern portion of the viewing area. 1 to 3 inches of very fluffy snow for areas along and south of Highway 20. North of Highway 20, only about a trace to 1 inch. In some spots, especially far north, might not see any snow for Saturday. Now, as far as the wind chills go, as we get into Saturday night, that snow and the clouds clear out, and we're going to see our low air temperatures dropping to about 20 degrees below zero. So that's already fairly dangerous. But let's take a look at the wind chill forecast. For today, we're seeing our wind chill staying below zero by about 0 to -10. And so not many improvements there. Then for tonight, dropping down between about 10 and 20 degrees below zero. Our actual air temperatures will be about 5 to 8 degrees below zero. And for the day on Saturday, still staying below zero by about 10 degrees to as low as 20. But here's a look at Saturday night. Could get as cold as 35 degrees below zero at points. Again, our air temperatures will be 20 below with a little bit of wind. Wind chill of 25 to 35 degrees below zero is not out of the question. So with the big game coming up on Sunday, if you are out celebrating, you're going to have to deal with snow, very cold temperatures. Please be very safe with this kind of weather. Now, for today, it looks like we'll see our high temperatures in about the low to mid-teens. Very cold with the breezy northwest winds, some patchy blowing snow, and wind chills about 0 to 10 degrees below zero. Plenty of sunshine, though. Then for tonight, it looks like our lows dip down below zero, about 3 to 8 degrees below, depending on where you are. Wind chills about 10 to 20 degrees below zero. With that northwest wind, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Clouds return by tomorrow morning, as does the very light and fluffy snow. That'll be mid-morning to about the mid-afternoon. Highs only in the single digits. And then Sunday, a separate chance for some light snow. Again, best chance off to the south, as we will wake up to those dangerously cold temperatures, and wind chills and highs on Sunday will only be about 2 degrees below zero. Then on Monday, there's a third chance for snow, and yes, that could add a couple more inches to our totals over the weekend and heading into early next week. Notice highs there about 3. And then the core of the cold air will just settle in over the viewing area. So the rest of the 10-day forecast, we're looking at highs in the single digits, lows double digits below zero. We try to work our way back up by Wednesday, and then another cold front will come through, giving us strong winds for Thursday and Friday, and our lows back down to about 20 degrees below zero, or a couple degrees warmer than that. But our wind chills, again, dangerously cold for that stretch of days. And for Saturday and Sunday, mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will try to warm back up to 13 by Sunday.